Welcome. In this lockdown period, we all have our online classes. We get a lot of text that we have to go through. It is very stressful. So we came up with a solution, Abridger. Abridger is an artificial intelligence text summarizer and question generator which will help you to revise and learn your text in a very productive way. Without wasting any further time, let's go over here. Here you can see we have our homepage which will tell you guys a bit about Abridger. Then you have three buttons here. If you have an image which have a lot of text, then you can go to choose an image, and then you can upload your image which has a lot of text, and then you can go to your pictures and you can upload it, and it will upload. So there you go. You can see the image that you have uploaded right now, which you want to get a summary of. If you want to summarize the text and the image, you can double click on summarize, and there you have a summary of the text. If you want to generate questions, then you can click on generate questions, and you have the questions that are generated from this text corpus that you have uploaded from the image. If you have a huge text file that you want to generate summary of, like for example, if you have a huge terms and condition, for example, you have an Instagram terms and condition over here and you want to summarize it, you can click on summarize, and there you go. We have a summary of that entire text corpus. You can do the same with generate questions too, but let's move on. If you have a link that you want to get a summary out of that a professor has given about a research article or something, you can go to here. Let's say you have a link about coronavirus from Wikipedia. You can go to that link and you can click on summarize, and it will bring all the text and give you a summary of the entire article from Wikipedia. So there you go. So as you can see, we have a select voice over here, and if you want to hear the we have used Google API, Google Text to Speech API, to increase the accessibility, because we believe that knowledge should be free and should not be bound by physical restrictions. So you can go to here, you can choose your voice, and let's say we want to hear this one, and you can go to speak.
Pregnant women may be at high risk of severe COVID-19 infection.
So as you are here at the end of as you saw, the text to speech worked flawlessly, and as you are here at the end of the show, now let me walk through a bit about the business model that we have. We are planning about a multi-tier system where there will be a free tier and a paid tier. The paid tier will give you the access of all the features of the website, and the free tier you can only have the summary part from images and text. That's it for Abridger, and that's it for Team Aurora.